fun. This is my field group, the Funky Bunch. Starting with Andrea, Marielle, Gwen, Tracy, Andy, Brian, James, John,
I love Pierre.
Jeff, and Mukhtar. Is that everybody?
Yep.
Okay, first thing I want is your full name and your age.
My name's Andrea Jokas, and I'm 12 years old.
And did you have a good week?
Yes, I did.
What was your high point?
The hike, the long hike we took.
And did you learn anything?
Yes.
What'd you learn?
I learned how to get along with a lot of people in a big living situation and to get along.
Okay, and anything else you'd like to add?
Nope.
Like the final sharings or anything?
No.
Okay. Next,
Hello.
Marielle. Tell me your name, your full name, and your age.
I am Marielle Elguero and I am 12. Let's say my high point.
Yep.
Does it have to be with you or with like anything?
Anything.
Okay, I'll say the hike.
All right.
It was still kind of
Okay, what was another high point besides the hike for you?
Oh, the homeless thing. That was fun.
Cool. Goober's an excellent teacher.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Now, what did you learn?
I learned about eyes, like that eye thing we did.
In dance
Eyes,
class?
I can't remember what it was called. And what?
Dance class?
No, it was you. It was you. It was about
Night hike.
Oh, the night
Light.
hike. Oh, cool. You got,
yeah, the night hike.
so you learned something on night hike.
Yep.
All right, Jeff, fun?
Yes, I did.
And anything you want to add?
No.
Okay. Next.
Hi, I'm Gwen. I'm 13. Or Gwen Chance. I'm 13 years old. And I did have fun.
And what did you learn?
Well, my card said I wanted to learn a survival skill. And I think I learned a lot of survival skills. Like, just in, like, nature and in society. Just with cooperation and helping each other and stuff.
Awesome. What was your high point?
I really enjoyed the hike and seeing Uncas Cliff because of the whole Last of the Mohican story, and I enjoyed the Underground Railroad thing. It was really fun.
Awesome. Kevin's a great teacher. All right, high point. Anything at all.
It was, I don't know, it was like just like all the beautiful things we saw on the hike were really,
Collaboration.
yeah, I'll never forget that. Like,
Awesome. Yes.
Do you have an apple?
Do I have an apple?
Yeah, we want apples.
No, those were just props. Sorry. Go ahead and take a look at those cards. That's what they're for. All right, who's next?
I'm Tracy Pell. I'm 13. I enjoyed the paper bag skits in the Underground Railroad in our all-day hike.
You were the funniest I've ever seen you all week last night, Tracy. You made me so happy. When I went back up to the cabins, I was talking all about you. You were great last night on the stage with that nose. All right, what was your high point?
I think the paper bag skits.
And did you learn anything this week?
Yeah, I learned what PMA means.
All right, positive mental attitude. All right,
Hi, I'm Andy Applebeach. I'm 12.
and what'd you learn?
I learned about the internal organs of a shark.
Sweet, digger. And what was your high point?
Dissecting.
Dissecting. Did you have fun this week? Did you meet some new people?
Yep.
All right. Next.
I'm Brian O'Connor. I'm 14 years old. You are?
And what was your high point?
I don't know. I really liked the skits last night. Those were fun.
You were hilarious. Absolutely hilarious. You saved us.
The hike was good too.
it was sucked in here.
What did you learn this week?
Uh,
Anything. Even if it was real minor.
I learned how to build a bridge.
Awesome. Kevin.
You.
Our bridge. Cool.
Doesn't even know what he does.
It's been a long week. And anything you'd like to add? Did you accomplish the goal that you have on your card?
Look at this. I got scars all over me.
Yeah, you took some major spills. Or you had accidents. Something landed on your toe
I have a giant purple toe.
and your finger. How's the hand?
Here, zoom up.
Ooh. That
See the back
looks
here
like it's
now.
getting better though. Okay, and next, James. Drew. Give me a good Drew.
Drew.
All right.
My name is James Smith and I'm 13 years old and
Yeah, what'd you learn and what was your high point?
okay, I learned that need to work together to accomplish some things, and that and how to build like rain shelters maybe like in like 15 minutes.
Cool.
And
Well, you guys were on the right track. You had your framing up. You just didn't realize that birch bark makes good shingles.
oh, I didn't think of that.
I thought everybody knew that.
I mentioned it to somebody, but that's all right.
And then and my high point was that all day hike, and then dissecting frogs and poking up the eyeballs and stuff like that.
All right.
Not like.
Did you learn anything?
I told you.
Oh, I'm sorry. I asked the same question twice. Did you have fun?
Yes, I had fun.
And anything that you want to add personally?
I didn't get hurt not once.
All right. No injuries for James. Did you accomplish what's on your card?
My accomplishment was to have fun and to learn, and I accomplished this goal.
All right. Thank you very much, James.
John Stopinski, and I'm 14 years old, and my card is to have fun, and yeah, I did have a lot of fun.
High point?
I liked the hike on Tuesday. It got very wet going through under the bridge or under the road. And then the hike on Wednesday was lots of fun. The A team.
And we're going to go do that in a little bit. And you guys were complaining the whole time about the hike, and so far it's 4 people have talked about it.
And the Underground Railroad.
Cool.
You were lying, Mario.
It was,
Just
the
make sure.
geodome was
You liked the hike.
neat to build.
All right. Did you learn it? Did you learn anything in the Underground Railroad that you didn't know?
I learned how to be absolutely silent.
Cool.
Move.
Then you definitely learned something.
I didn't get sent back once.
Awesome. Next,
Hi,
Jeff.
I'm
Tell us your full name,
Jeff Lamarche,
age.
13.
Did you have a good week?
Yeah, I guess.
What was your high point?
Learning about SES. It's SOS.
SOS.
Same thing.
And what was the best fun you had? Eating the apple on stage?
Yes.
Both of them?
No, I gave you that. Tell me something else that was good.
Getting poked in my eye.
All right. And living through it.
Yeah. Oh.
Next, Mukhtar.
My name is Mukhtar Ali. I'm 12 years old.
Where are you
Sure.
Tell us where you're
I'm
from.
from Nigeria, if you want to know. So,
Sure.
where, you know.
Hell, heck yeah.
He's
I'm
11.
12. I just started.
All right, he's 11. Did you have a good week?
Yeah, I had fun. And,
Did you learn anything? Anywhere, in any class?
yeah, I learned how to make balloons fly in hot air.
Sweet.
I'm like, ooh.
And your high point?
They're hiking, maybe.
Awesome. Mukhtar was a champ. All right, now, listen up, guys.
I can get a present
I think we
for
should
that,
film
too.
Drew.
No, listen up, guys.
Yeah.
What we're going to do is we're going to... What we're going to do... What we're going to do is we're going to go back down to the dock, and we're going to do some trust falls real quick. And then we're going to go over to the A team, and we're going to finish up the bridges. Does everybody get it?
Got it!
Good.
Ooh-ah! Ooh-ah!
All right. Think about it and stew and stew and stew. And the thing to do is when you get it all built up and you're just ready to explode, don't go take it out on one individual person, because usually it's displaced aggression. What you need to do is just find a nice safe spot away from everybody and scream at the top of your lungs. So what I want to do is I'm going to go down the line, and I want each one of you to scream at the top of your lungs as loud as you can do it. And then at the end, you're all going to scream as a group. And I'll start you off with one big, loud one, okay? 1, 2, 3. Ah! All right. Now I'm going to start with Jeff, on the count of 3, or whenever you're ready to do it, let a good one out. 1, 2, 3. Very nice. Good job. Mukhtar. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Good job. Gwen, give it a good one. 1, 2, 3. Very nice. Very nice. Andrea, at the top of your lungs. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Marielle, whenever you're ready. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Good job. Brian, I expect a good loud one out of you. 1, 2, 3. Awesome. Listen to that echo. James, see if you can get the echo to come all the way back to us. 1, 2, 3. Good job. John, you are up. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Andy, let me hear you yell. I want to hear you yell at the top of your lungs. 1, 2, 3. Awesome. And we have Tracy. Tracy, give it your best shot. 1, 2, 3. All right, now together as a group, everybody up on your feet. Stand up, loosen up, shake your arms. Get ready, be good and loud. Ready and go! All right, longevity, one last one to whoop it up for everybody out there that's listening. 1, 2, 3. Oh, okay, everybody in position? Everybody ready? Everybody ready, positions, nobody's talking. Marielle, hands like this. Cross them up in here, like this. Close your eyes. Remember, you're falling stiff as a board. You're falling stiff as a board. Your body has got to be straight. Everybody's in positions. Arches together, knees together. Shoulders back, head back, looking at her. Everybody's looking at her. Get those hands up level like a plane. Okay, Marielle, do you trust us?
No.
I'm not doing it.
Marielle, do you trust us?
Yes, I do.
Okay, tell us when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Ready?
Falling.
Fall away. All right. Good. Who's next? Go up there, Glenn.
I'm
Okay.
I'm after him.
I guess whoever. Positions.
Like this?
Yes.
Like this, Drew?
Okay, yes. Okay, everybody in position. Arches, knees together, chest back, hands up. Everybody's looking at Jeff. Jeff, you have to take your hat off. Just for the fall. Make sure your hands are in position. Okay.
So how do I put them like this?
Yeah. Do you trust us?
Yes.
Are everyone gonna catch it?
Yes.
Okay, tell us when you're ready. Remember, you gotta be stiff as a board.
Emily.
Ready.
Knees together, guys. Ready.
Ready.
No, you say
Fall away.
fall away. Close your eyes.
Now I go?
Yep. Don't drop your butt. Okay, you dropped your butt, but we caught you anyway. No, you guys were great. All right, don't drop your butt. Jeff, practice a little bit. Go like this. Fall backwards, keeping yourself still. Okay, line up. Position. Sorry. Everybody in position. That's all right. We caught you. Everybody in position.
That was as bad as I thought.
All right, everybody's in position. Feet together. Knees together. Hands up. All right, head back, chest back. Everybody's looking at Tracy. The whole line needs to move down a little bit. Okay. Feet, feet arches together, knees together, hands up. Chest back, shoulders back. Tracy, do you trust us?
I guess so.
Tell us when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Ready?
Falling.
Fall away. All right, good job. That's an example of why you have to keep your eyes on the follow. Since everybody was looking at her, they were able to get their heads out.
Move over like this.
Tracy, you got to try to fall a little more straight.
Drew, could you
Good job. Yeah,
I
will. Okay, we got Brian coming up. I'm going to stand in the middle. All right, everybody get ready.
I'm afraid.
Yeah, this is fine. Don't worry about it. Positions, guys. Feet together, knees together, hands up, zipper. Head back, chest back. Everyone's looking. Yep, that's right. No talking. He's a a big guy.
Am I centered?
Brian, please do one thing. Fall straight like a board. Don't drop your butt. I'll have a hard time catching you. Okay, and you're not going to get hurt because you're going to hit our knees first and then you'll hit the sand, but just don't drop your butt. We will be able to catch you. Do you trust us? Everyone's looking at him. Okay, tell us when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Ready?
Fall.
Fall away. Good job. Way to go, guys. Awesome. Who's next? Get up there. Anybody?
That's awesome.
Good job.
Come on, Mookie, you gotta go soon.
All right, who's next? Who's next? Positions, positions. Feet together, feet together. Put Brian, okay, me and Brian will be in the middle. All right, feet together, knees together,
You guys just really.
hands up. Yeah, straighten out the line a little bit. That's good.
What's with this?
Hands flat. Yeah, like this, and then pull them up in the middle. Okay, hands up, knees together, shoulders back. Everyone's looking at you. Good job. Okay, do you trust us?
Yes, I do.
Tell us when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Ready.
Falling.
Fall away. Good job, guys. Don't forget the ready part. I'm the only one saying ready. I want everybody to say ready when after the person
Come on,
says
Mookie,
ready.
go, Mookie.
Who's next?
I forgot
Who's
to
next?
go,
Jump up
Mookie.
there. Andrew, Mookie, go ahead,
I
Mookie.
wanna go up here.
All right. Positions. Positions. Over there, John. Over there. Over there. James, feet together. Feet together. Knees together. Hands up. Zipper. Everyone's in position. Shoulders are back. Chest is out. Or back. Head up. Looking at Mukhtar. Mookie, you gotta go like this. Yep. And now pull your hands through this way.
Move like this.
Okay. Now you close your eyes if you can. You have to drop. You have to go straight, Mookie. You have to fall straight. Your body has got to be stiff like a board.
No, everybody move this
Move back a little bit. Yeah. Now you have to fall straight, Mookie. Okay, everyone's looking at him. Okay, you tell us. Okay, first off, do you trust us?
Yep.
Tell us when you're ready.
Ready.
Ready?
Falling.
Fall away. Yeah. Good job. Way to go. Way to go. All right. Who's next? James. Andrea, get on up there. That's all right. We'll catch her anyway. Just be careful you don't hurt yourself. In position. In position. Guys, position. Feet. Knees.
I'm
Hands.
missing someone.
Chest back. Head up. Looking at her. Andrea, do your hands right. There you go. And close your eyes if you can. Andrew, remember, you have to fall straight like a board. Okay. Do you trust us?
Yes, I do.
Tell us when you're ready.
Ready.
Ready?
Falling.
Fall away. Yeah! Good job. Way to go. All right. Who's next? Go ahead. Come on. James, go. James, go. James, go. Gwen, go ahead. Go.
I'll go after Glenn.
I'll go through
Okay.
everybody else.
All right. Let's go, Glenn. Jump up.
Andy has to go
Let
yet.
Andy go.
Wait, Andy didn't go yet. Then we'll start the same order.
Okay. All right. Hurry up. Hurry up.
Don't be like that.
Speed it up. All right. We're going to go Andy, then Gwen, then James if he wants to.
No,
Go.
I don't
Knees
have
together.
I have a fear of
Knees
falling.
together.
We're not teams for the same order.
Don't put your head in like this. Put it
Okay, hands up, chest back. Everyone's looking up. Now,
Andy.
do you trust us?
Yeah.
Tell us when you're ready.
Ready.
Positions, knees, guys.
Ready?
Ready?
Falling.
Fall away. All right, way to go. Look at that. Some of the smallest people catching them. Go ahead, jump up there. Not yet. Not yet.
Move, Trevor. We're going in the same order.
I know. I just catch you
Okay,
like this. and your butt
okay.
goes
Feet
flat.
together, knees together. Hands up. All right, everyone's looking at Gwen. Gwen, you got to straighten yourself a little bit. There you go. Knees together, hands up. Everyone's looking at her. Gwen, do you trust us?
Yes, I do.
Are we going to catch her? Yes.
Yes, we will.
Tell us when you're ready.
Falling.
No, tell us when you're ready.
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 Falling.
Fall away. All right. Good job. Who's next? Who's next? James, give it a shot.
James.
You want me to go? Or you want to go? I'll go if you don't. James, all right.
I'm gonna get up and I'm gonna start swinging.
You're gonna fall. We're not gonna drop you. James, most importantly, go like this.
Never mind, no, I can't do this.
Just go like this.
No,
Okay, don't worry about it. Don't worry
No,
about
I can't do
it. Here,
it.
do you want me to go first?
Yeah, I don't want you to go.
I'll do it, and then you can do it.
Yes.
Everybody.
Heaven.
Brian and John in the middle.
I really have a fear of falling off the
Don't
stuff.
say anything. Do it real quick. Get in your position. Knees. All right, look, get in your position. I trust you guys. You can catch me. All right. Tell me when you trust me.
Back up a little.
Drew, do you trust us?
Yes.
Back up a little.
Ready? Are you
Make
ready?
sure you're in
Are you
position.
ready?
You guys watch out. It might go a little
Ready?
sideways.
Ready?
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 Ready.
Sideways. Watch out.
Ready?
Falling.
Follow it.
All right. Put me down.
I'm not doing
All right.
James, come on.
James, give it a shot or not? You
I'll
all
go. I want to go.
Okay, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
Jeff, it's the same
All
order.
right.
Same
Same order. Same order.
Same order.
I'm at.
Same order. Same order. Get up there, Marielle. Yeah, let's take a vote. Do you guys want to try 3?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, wait. Before we do it, I want to say that you don't have to fall from 3 if you don't want to.
Now everybody. Come on.
All right, down. I need help. All right, I'll help.
Marielle can go first. All right. Okay.
Now the other thing, guys, is
Marielle needs to push up.
listen. I want you to be very careful getting up here because you can hurt yourself.
Whoa, you guys are strong.
Okay, what kind of cookie are you?
Jeff,
You're not heavy yet.
There you go.
I know, no. They're only 65 pounds. I'll do it.
No,
I'll do
we're
it.
doing her first because she's the lightest. Okay, everyone get in your position. Straighten it out. Move back, Brian. Move back. Move back. Move back. Move back. Move back.
Oh my God.
Move back a little bit. Okay. You guys got to move back. This
Am I
side has
right?
got to move back a little.
Yeah, you're fine.
There you go. Now you guys move forward a little bit. This whole side. There you go. Perfect. Andrea, you there. Okay, good. You got to back up. You got to There you go.
Who's moving a lot?
All right, now feet together, knees together, hands up, straight plane down the middle, chest back. Everyone's looking at Marielle. Marielle, do you trust him? Tell us when you're ready. Fall away. All right, good job. Way to go. Whoever wants to get up there can try. No, it was perfect. Help him up. Help him up.
Oh, I'm not good at it.
Because
King of the jungle.
it's like you're like,
Ah, look at
Okay,
all this.
positions. Positions.
All right, how do I do my arms again? You go like this.
Oh, like this.
Go like that.
Go like, no, here. Go give me
Come on.
Go like this.
Okay,
Go like this.
let's go. We don't have a lot of time to waste.
Tuck them under.
And through.
Yeah, don't drop me.
Okay, guys, here we go. You're having the same problem. What's with the line, you guys? Straighten up your line. You're not. Here, I'm at the head of the line.
what am I supposed to be?
Me and Jeff are the points. So you should be on either side of me, like this. So you guys got to back up a little, and you guys got to come forward a little. Come forward. Forward. Gwen, James. Okay, feet together. Knees together.
Don't put your
Knees
butt
together.
out.
Knees. Feet and knees.
Don't put your butt out.
Okay,
Try
now,
not to.
the other foot. Right foot. The other foot.
Great.
Knees, hands. Okay, now everybody's
What do I
chest
do?
is
Just
back. Everybody's
Just keep
chest.
my knees tight.
Yes. You want to be a bowling pin. Don't drop your butt, Jeff.
All right.
Okay, everybody looking at him. Your chest is back. Your head is up, and you're looking at Jeff. Now, tell us, do you trust us? Hands up. These are terrible
Yes,
hands.
I do.
Okay. This is a big distance, so you got to catch him. All right. Do you trust us?
Yes.
Tell us when you're ready.
Ready?
Ready?
Fall.
No, you say falling.
Falling.
Fall away.
What way do you want me to?
Okay, start from the beginning. Start from the beginning.
All right.
Jeff, do you trust us?
Yes.
Tell us when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Ready?
Falling.
Fall away.
Halfway around and then leave.
All right.
Did it again.
See, you can't drop your butt. You cannot drop your butt.
I can't do it. I don't
Okay,
know.
who's next? Who's next? Who's next?
I'm after.
Get in positions. Get in
Guys,
positions.
it's really high up here.
I just
Second place.
Get in position. Position.
Come on, you guys.
Jen is so high up
You got to back up.
Yeah.
You got to come forward, Gwen.
Positions. Okay, back up. Everyone in position. Knees together. Hands up. Go. You go right there.
You guys, am I
Okay, this
okay?
line is, again, you guys,
Oh.
you have a tendency to want to keep going this way. Don't be afraid of the net. Right here, I'm standing right here. Right on
You
both
guys
sides.
aren't like straight.
There
I'm
you
like
go.
gonna fall on Andy's
Thank
head.
you very much, Tracy. That's exactly the
Well, I
problem.
was going to.
Okay, now, feet together, knees together, hands up. Straight plane, right down the middle. Chest back, shoulders back, head up. You're looking at Tracy. Tracy, your arms are crossed, your eyes are closed, your feet are together. You're falling straight as a board. Tell us, do you trust us?
Yeah.
Tell us when you're ready. Ready?
Peanut butter. Peanut butter. Okay, 5 times. Peanut butter. Peanut butter.
All the way.
Flip.
All right. Good job. Way to go. Who's next? Who's next? All right, I'm in the middle. I'm in the middle. I'm in the middle here. Okay. Feet together. Feet together. We're not done yet. Knees together. Hands up. Straight plane. Right down the middle. Hands up. There you go.
Brian, you're about 12 feet now.
All right. Hands up.
I mean about 9 feet.
Chest back. Chest back. Everyone's head. You're looking at him.
Yeah, 10.
Everybody's looking at him.
Looks like everybody blasting us.
Yeah. All right, you guys, concentrate. He's a big guy. Now, knees together. Jeff, your head has got to be back. You have to look at him. Yeah, everyone's looking at him. Because he's who we're catching. Don't look at each other. Knees together, hands up. Chest back, heads up, looking at him. Tell us, do you trust us?
Yes, I do.
Tell us when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Ready?
Falling.
Fall away.
Okay.
All right. Good job. Way to go, guys. That was awesome. Who's next? Who's next? Do levitation next. Who's next? Hurry up. Let's go. We got other things to do. Help him up, Mukhtar.
Alright, put him down. You gotta keep your arms locked in. That was a good flip.
Pull.
Alright, Blair's
Yeah,
gonna go.
we'll do
Don't worry, I'm gonna get in on that.
levitation next. I don't do those. Louise used to do it. Here. Okay, feet together. Feet together. Back up a little bit.
Okay.
Knees together. Smell
You guys are gonna have to get.
hands up.
Alright,
Flat like a
I'll
plane.
be right back.
Can I have your leg up there, okay?
Yep, because you'll break
Okay.
it. They land on your leg will snap the other way. Okay, the line again is falling to the wayside. Andy, you have to back up. Jeff, you have to back up. Right next to me. Okay, Mario, you have to back up a little bit.
We're doing a butter.
Okay, knees together, hands up, chest back. Everyone's looking at him.
Butters.
Don't tighten out your leg because then it'll break.
Okay, everyone's looking at John.
Butters, are you
Okay, do
ready?
you trust us?
Okay, fall back.
I didn't hear anything. So tell us when you're ready.
Ready.
Ready? Fall away. You gotta look at him. Mukhtar. You cannot be looking at them. You have to stare at the person falling.
Okay, put him down.
Who is next? Gwen.
No, Andrea.
Yeah. Okay, Andrea. It's up to you guys. I just didn't. Nobody wanted to go, and I know Gwen wants to go. Okay.
Brett, you can hang down.
Feet together. Knees together.
Alright, I'm gonna hop in between Ross.
Okay, you bark the commands this time, Mario.
Okay.
All right, put your. All right, go ahead, Mario.
Ready?
Wow.
Do you trust us?
No.
Hold on,
Start from the
not
beginning.
ready.
Feet together.
Together.
What's next?
Together.
I'm gonna get there.
Chest back.
Yep.
And
Your head.
your head. Look up. Look at him.
Okay. Now keep going with the.
Do you trust us?
Butters, are you
Yes,
ready?
I do.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Ready?
Ready?
Falling.
Fall away.
Butter flip. Alright.
Good job. Way to go. Awesome. Okay. Gwen, get up there. Mukhtar, do you want to go? Okay, Gwen.
Oh, come on, move three.
Gwen's up.
It is. Gwen.
Whitey, stop.
Okay. Feet together. This is going to be the last one unless anyone else wants to go again.
I would, but I'm not good at this stuff.
Okay, feet together. Knees together.
I'm
Knees
not
together.
scared. I just, my
Hands up. Chest back. Head up, looking at Gwen. No talking. Everybody in position. Gwen, do you trust us?
Yes, I do.
Tell us when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Ready?
Falling.
All the way. Good job. Way to go. Okay, we'll do levitation. Put this back. Watch out, guys. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out.
Okay, on the count of 3. 1, 2.
All right. Let's go over here and do levitation.
Gotta stay in thing.
Can I go on first?
Everybody ready? In position. Feet together. Knees together. Cross your arms. All right. Everybody ready? Whenever you're ready. Whenever you're ready. This is a really good one. Okay. Everybody's paying attention. Ready, Mario? Go. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Throw. 1, 2, 3. Throw. 1, 2. No. 3. Throw. You have to do it on my command. 1, 2, 3. Throw. Now. 1, 2, 3. Throw. Okay. Now lift her up. Gently. Not like that. Now slowly. All the way down to the ground. Now, that was terrible. Okay? That was horrible. I'll tell you exactly what you're doing wrong. You're not supposed to do anything until I say 1, 2, 3, throw. Don't go like this. 1, 2, 3. Well, you guys are like dancing. Not yet. What we're doing is 1, 2, 3, throw. 1, 2, 3, throw. 1, 2, 3, throw. If you want to make up commands, chocolate chip, whatever, anything you guys want to think of, I just do. It's easier to do it that way. Then when you get to, how was that anyway? Yeah, right. Okay, so get up here again. We'll have it one more time. In position. Alright, I'm not going until everybody's paying attention and ready. 'Cause this is a lot more dangerous than the other one. Okay. These positions are terrible.
I know. Come closer, please.
You guys not want to do this?
I just don't want to fall on that. You guys, come on. You guys, straight line. Andy, you're curving around. John, back up a little bit. Brian,
I'm
move
breaking
forward.
Alright, whenever you're ready, let her know. Okay. Trust us? Alright, ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, throw. 1, 2, 3, throw. 1, 2, 3, throw. 1, 2, 3, throw. Okay, now lift her up. Slowly. Okay, now slowly back down to the ground. Back and forth. Back and forth. How was that, Mario?
You're at the ground. It's cool.
Okay, who's next? Oh,
Hey,
here.
I'm after Brian.
Brian.
I'm after Brian.
Okay. Brian's going to be a little tougher, guys, so let's get in position. Concentrate on this one.
Come on, you guys. You got Mario, move forward.
You can lift me, you guys.
Yes, we can. We need you. We need you, Mario. Mario, in the back, wherever you can squeeze in. All right, you all know the commands. John, you come up in the front next to one of the two of these. Me and you, John, we'll start off here. Oh, I'll lift you, guys. Okay. John, you need someone across from you that's...
Oh, Jesus. Lamar.
No, that's all
I
right.
got you. I'm strong.
Gwen will be good.
Right, Gwen.
Okay, that's fine. All right, you guys tell me when you're ready. In position. Everyone's paying attention? Okay, he's going to be heavy in the beginning, so get ready. Whenever you're ready, fall. Okay. 1, 2, 3, lift. 1, 2, 3, throw. 1, 2.
Good job, John.
Do you want to try to do it again with him? Let's try to do it again with him. Now you're aware of the weight. Now you're aware of the weight. My pants are wet. So let's try it again.
You let go.
I couldn't help it.
You let go, and I'm like, oh no.
Yeah, maybe we need to plan this out a little bit better. Yeah. We should plan this out a little bit better. Yeah. What are you doing with the gum?
I was having it for the trip. We should plan this a little bit
What?
We should plan
All right. You tell them where you want them. Because you're the one that's going down the line.
I don't have any in my mouth.
We can do it this time.
I saw you, Chip.
I don't know, maybe like the less stronger people in the back. Because like, plus, yeah, and plus you guys have to lift me like after that too.
We need light, strong people.
Right, and remember, I'm going to be at the front and the back.
All right, where am I going?
And Drew will be in the back.
Yep.
There we go.
All right, let's try it again. Now we know what we're in for.
And don't drop me again.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's try hard on this, guys.
Try real
This is your biggest challenge. All right.
You guys ready?
Whenever you're ready. Okay, whenever you're ready. There you go. Go. All right. 1, 2, 3, throw. 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 Okay, 1, 2, 3, throw. Now lift him up all the way up. All right, that's far enough. Slowly, gently back down to the ground all the way. Don't stop until we land. That was awesome. Way to go. Who's next?
When you get to the top.
Who's next? How was it, Brian?
Next person, open your eyes when you get to the top.
All right, who's next?
I will go.
You get up there. You're like,
Good job, guys. That was awesome.
That was great.
How much do you weigh, Brian?
We had the hardest time to live.
Heavier than me.
Who's going?
All right, Tracy's going. This will be a little bit different this time. Straighten up the line. Straighten them up. Straighten up. Okay, whenever you're ready. You guys in the back, bring it in a little bit. Guys in the back, bring it in a little bit. Andy and
Calm down, Brian.
Marielle. Okay, cross your arms. And whenever you're ready. Yeah, that's fine. Whenever you're ready. Yep. All right, 1, 2, 3, throw. 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 Now lift all the way up. Time to go. Okay. Now gently, slowly. Back and forth. All the way down.
Why do you want to quit a minute?
Can I go down?
I'll go.
All right, who's next?
How do you call it?
No, James called it.
Let James go. He hasn't done the trust
James,
falls yet.
open your eyes at the top. Quick and free.
Okay. All right.
Who haven't 20?
Okay. All right. Whenever you're ready, back up this way a little bit. The line. Back it up like this, guys. Right here. And then right here, like this. 2 lines. There you go. That's good. Andrew, you have to back up. Okay. All right, James, all you have to do is fall backwards. Whenever you're ready. Everybody in position? Ready? Everyone's looking. Mukhtar, you got to pay attention. Okay, everybody ready? And go. 1, 2, 3, throw. 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 All right, now lift them up. 1, 2, 3. All right, now slowly, back and forth, all the way down. Slowly. All right, who's next? Is this still running?
Yeah, I just wish I knew what all these fun buttons did.
All right. Okay.
Well, you guys are all sitting around. You
In positions.
two stumps on top of each other and ready to go.
In positions.
No, just
Positions. Okay. Whenever you guys are ready, one's ready. She's ready, but you guys aren't. Ariel. Okay. Whenever you're ready. Okay. 1, 2, 3, throw. 1, 2, 3, throw. 1, 2, 3, throw. 1, 2, 3, throw. Now, lift her up, all the way up.
make sure they're solid, guys.
Now, slowly, back and forth. Not so fast. Back, forth, and down.
He's going under. Oh my god.
Good job.
Yes!
Oh, you cheated. Okay. Who's next?
There goes my car.
Yeah. Okay, let's straighten it out a little bit. I'm here.
I need like Brian next to
Yeah.
Good job, Blaine. Brian, come up here.
All right, I got bad news. We're not going to be able to make the 18.
Oh, darn it.
I was
I was
hoping.
telling you in 5 minutes.
Okay, in positions. He's gonna be heavy again, guys. Don't give in now.
Don't worry. We're strong. We got Mario here.
Okay, everyone's in positions. Whenever you're ready. And is everyone ready? Ready? Go.
Ready.
All right. 1, 2, 3, throw. 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 Lift him up. All the way up. All right. Now, slowly, gently, back and forth. That's it. I'm done. You guys got to be as tired as I am.
No, I want to go.
Andrew, I want to go.
John wants to. Jeff wants to go. And Andrew wants to go. All right. 3 more.
All right, what do I do?
3 more. 4 more.
What do I do?
Luke, you don't have to. Do you want to? Okay. What do you mean, what do you do?
I know what I'm
What kind of a question is that? Andrew, everyone get in position. We have 3 more to do.
You people just push me around.
Come on, guys. You did. Everybody else was helping when you were falling and levitating, so everyone's got to make this good for everybody. All right, everyone in position.
Yep.
Gwen, you got to get on one side or the other.
All right, we got strong skill Mario here.
All right, whenever you're ready, Andrew. Okay, 1, 2, 3, throw. 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 Now, lift her all the way up.
Open your eyes,
Gently, slowly, back and forth, and back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, and all the way.
That wasn't easy.
It's okay to open your eyes, but if you don't open your eyes the whole time, you really have a sort of a mysterious sense of where you are.
Yeah, but if you open your eyes at the top, it's way cooler.
Lay
Do
like
you
a
do
boy.
it? We really
No, I'm not going to do this. We had enough trouble. All right, Jeff. Everyone's in position. Okay.
Who doesn't trust us?
I fell from the 2nd tier over there to you guys. What do you mean I don't trust you? All right. Everyone's in position? Whenever you're ready, Jeff, just fall backwards. Keep your eyes closed. 1, 2, 3, throw. 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 Now lift them up, all the way up, all the way up, all the way up. And gently, slowly, back and forth, all the way.
saw you hit me.
Last one, who's up?
Me, I'll go do it.
Andy. We'll do 2 more. We'll do Andy and James.
Open your eyes. James already did it.
Yeah, but he didn't do any trust falls. All right, let's go. 2 more. You okay? Now it's the other eye. You all right, Jeff?
Yeah.
You want to sit out?
No, I just got bumped.
Okay. Line up like this, guys. Like this.
Oh, it feels like one.
Perfect.
Feel it.
Andy, you're
Mario.
way in the wrong
I
place.
am ready.
Yeah, your hand's going to do this, actually, because you're not going to flail. The trust falls, I have you go like this because it's harder to unlock your hands if you get scared and hit somebody. With this, you're not going to. All right, now, everybody ready?
Ready.
Whenever you go, you just lean backwards. Okay, 1, 2, 3,
Go.
1, 2, 3, throw. 1, 2, 3, throw. 1, 2, 3, throw. 1, 2, 3, throw. Now lift them up, all the way up, all the way up, all the way up. And slowly back and forth, gently back and forth, all the way.
Okay.
Woo. Last one, that was terrible. Last one. Last one. Don't
I
let
was
James
holding your
down.
back and your legs out.
Don't let James down. Let's do a good one. Yeah, but he never did a trust fall, so let's do him again here. All right, let's line up and don't do a bad one. Let's finish off with a bang. Finish off with a bang.
Bang.
All right, line up. Everyone's in position.
Hold them up there for a while.
Okay, are you all ready? Whenever you're ready to go, James, you just lean back. All right, 1, 2, 3, throw. That's right. 1, 2, 3, throw. 1, 2, 3, throw. 1, 2, 3, throw. Okay, now lift him. All the way up, all the way up, all the way up. Good one. Gently back and forth, and back and forth, and back, and back, and forth.
You guys don't grab under their pants.
That's ridiculous, guys. That's like a dangerous thing. All right, we're done.
They are yummy in my tummy.
Do you like dill pickles or do you like sweet pickles?
I prefer the dill, preferably the big, fat, honkin' kosher dill.
Oh, yeah? And how about you?
Kristen?
I hate pickles.
You hate pickles?
I hate pickles.
All pickles?
I hate pickles.
I love sweet pickles.
Agreed.
John?
Disgusting. Can't stand them.
I love pickles. Pickles. Andrea, pickles?
Dill pickles.
I like sweet pickles.
I don't like
Who's that, Greg?
I like all pickles, but
dill pickles.
Pickles?
Pickles. Sweet pickles.
You like them?
Yeah, I like pickles.
Both?
All pickles.
All pickles?
All pickles.
All right. Hillary? All right. That's the way I feel about it. Who's this up here?
Like pickles, just hate bread and butter.
Okay.
Can't stand them.
You mean you don't like dill too?
No bread and butter pickles.
Marielle, do you like pickles? Which kind?
Yo, you're the pickle in the middle. I like the ones.
That you get
on my side.
dill.
pick on your side, now there's rules.
You like dill?
Come on my side. That's a
Yeah.
rule I just made up. You're taking all the steps. Dan, Mariel, you stink at this game. What do you guys want?
Do you like pickles? Both?
I just like dill pickles.
You don't like sweet pickles?
Right back at her.
Dan,
Here's the line to your side's right here, so I get those.
Dan, do you like pickles?
Oh yeah.
Sweet or dill?
Aye.
I didn't say anything. But she got the name mixed up.
What kind of pickles?
Anything. I didn't tell anyone.
What kind of pickles?
Salt pickles.
Salt? I've never heard of salt pickles.
Please don't.
Pickles.
Yeah,
What kind of pickles?
whatever kind of pickles you got.
You like sweet pickles and dill pickles?
Hell yeah.
All right. Hey, you can't be saying that.
Oh.
Jake! Do you like pickles? Do you like pickles?
Tyler, right here, man.
Sweet? Dill? Whatever? All right. Blair! Blair, do you like pickles? Sweet or dill? Dill. Brian! Sweet or dill pickles?
Sweet.
All right. Anthony, you like pickles?
Pickles?
Yeah. No? Larry?
Vinegar.
Dill. Shehu, do you like pickles? Do you like pickles? What kind? Dill.
Oh my God. Throw it.
Digger, do you like pickles? No. Jeff, hey Jeff, do you like pickles? Do you like pickles? What kind? Andy, do you like pickles?
Look who's on your team.
You guys like pickles?
Yeah.
What kind, Nick?
I don't know.
Sweet, dill?
Yeah, dill.
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 Emily, do you like pickles?
I like both kinds of pickles.
All right. I think I got everyone over here.
Oh yeah.
I'll take a picture of you, see what kind of pickles.
No.
Neither? What kind of pickles?
I like dill pickles. I don't like sweet pickles.
Okay, and Meg, do you like pickles?
I love pickles, bro.
Do you like both kinds?
No, I don't like the sweet pickles. I like hot pickles. I like the classic hot mix, like with the cauliflower and the carrots and those little bitty onions.
Wow.
I'm really partial to that, but they don't make it anymore. At least a lot of stores don't carry it correctly. I'm really upset about it.
Do you know how to make it on your own?
I tried it with my green tomato pickles. I made them homemade, and they're a little mushy but tasty.
Okay, I think we got the pickle patrol all taken care of. And that should just about end the tape for the day. Goober, any last parting words?
You know? Yeah, that's kind of Farrah Fawcett looking, you know? You would see that on a Farrah Fawcett poster.
Who's the best dressed person here of your school? No, Drew, really?
Oh, of our school.
Of your school.
Oh, Drew, I'm back.
Kristen,
Their own way, though. That's why.
you were very funny last night,
What about me?
playing the neurotic,
No, I have no qualms.
fighting over a shoe.
What about me?
That was very funny.
I need some big curlers to make my hair do this.
Aren't you sick of me telling you what to do?
Nap time.
Brian?
Close up.
Whoa.
Now you can say the words to that song. Hey, Brian, come over here and tell us what the words to that song are. No. No, really. We'll watch it in private.
We're starting to quibble among ourselves.
What?
Oh, go back here. Wanna race?
That's not cribbing, those are love hats.
James, what does he say in that song?
Ready? Dad, you wanna race?
Love pads.
No one's looking.
The
Speaking of you.
The lies, the deceit.
Yeah, did I mention?
It's not love pads because they don't.
I was all by
eighth
myself.
graders don't go out with kids in the middle school.
All by myself.
Debbie, you wanna race?
They do.
No, they don't.
Yes,
I went to your
In
house.
fact,
Karina, you wanna race?
there's a kid here.
No one's home.
He's in sixth grade down Wentworth.
I went to your room.
Okay, we got Debbie. Ready?
I was all by myself.
Todd Coles.
You and me have this wonderful time. I'm all by myself. You and me. And then that's it. That's all.
All right. You still didn't say what I was looking for there.
That's a boy.
No, that's really what it is.
That's all. That's all
I
the
have the
words.
songbook.
That's all the
I have
words.
the songbook.
Okay, well, I'm sorry for cutting you off then. Because I thought you were going to try to slip that in.
No, they only do that in concerts.
Oh, okay.
Uh-huh.
And
Have
what
you
is
ever been to a concert?
What is that word that I was so scared of?
Erection.
Yeah, I was 7th row.
Or masturbation. Masturbation.
No, erection.
Erection. That could be like erecting a building or something.
Up!
Oh, not even a flinch. That was good.
Order up! Order down! Order up! Order down! Order up! Order down! Order up! Nibbly bibble! No! Order nibbly bibble! Order up! Order down! Order up! Down! Alright, just because Jake's still up here, let's go order pose, because I like his pose. Order pose! Order pizza! Toes! Order toes! Order up! Order down! Order up! Nose! Ooh. Order nose! Order lobes!
Oh, man. Globes.
Order bows!
What's the bet? What's your bet?
Bows! See your elbows. Order bows! Order nose! Order lobes! Order down! Order up! Order down! Oh, see now. Order nibble nibble. Stop! Did you stop? All right, well, come back up. We'll have to find a champion. All right, order nose. Order up. Order down. Pizza. Order pizza. Order pose. Order pose. Order nose. Order up. Down.
Oh.
Order nose. Order lobes. Order nose. Order lobes. Order nose. Order lobes. Order nose.
Wait,
Order lobes.
Jake.
You guys, he's nuts.
Jake is our Nibbly Bibble champion.
Oh, man, I run this place.
All right, the score of
The point to take home. Dan, I'm afraid to say, has taken a leave of absence because he expended so much energy on the org dance. So let's all give Dan a little support. That's why I'm doing it today. Definitely.
I'll be back next week.
He'll be back next week. So that's it.
Okay, the score is students 21. If we get 25, we'll go do that. Let's take a question from the staff first to give the students that chance that they need to tie since they're slacking so much. Kevin, can you be my lovely assistant and keep score?
I'll give him an order. No, I'll give him an order.
Largest population or
Population. Largest city is Mexico City. I believe this is the correct one. Tokyo. Then I think Seoul, Korea is third. Now New York City is fourth. What is fifth?
Whoa.
LA.
Eric.
Jakarta's bigger than.
No, in the world.
Cairo. I know that.